This is the Vako Ripple Holder, and this is used to hold your leading edge and also your return edge to a specific shape on your decorative hardware. And you can use this with snap tape or with tape and carriers. So on this rod, you can see that I have the ripple holder on here, and it's much shorter than the piece that I have here. And that's because it's been cut down to fit the specific drapery. And to do that, you can see that there's segments on here. Makes it really easy to measure and cut. And you can just use a pair of wire cutters like this. Or you can take like needle nose pliers and sort of twist it back and forth if you don't have a cutter with you, and they'll snap off. So you kind of twist it like this and that'll work them off. And then this slides right into the track. You can also use this on the return end so that it can hold the shape of your return. And you can add as many hooks in there as you'd like to keep your return stable. And you will want to add a stop onto the rod. I don't know if you can see that. Move that over a little bit. There's the stop. So you want to make sure that's there to hold everything in place. And then I'll go ahead and hook the rest of these hooks on here. So I have 2 hooks that will go into the ripple holder. And if you have a larger projection, you may want to have more hooks. You can add as many as you want. The shell hooks are really easy to put in place. And now that's on there, and that's going to hold the shape on the front because it's projecting out, and it's going to hold the shape on the return because it projects out from the front of the rod, and then it projects out for the return. The ripple holders come in colors, and that matches your hardware, your hooks, and your carriers. And that's black, white, gray, and champagne. And I want to show you, you can add your baton or your drawbar right in the ripple holder. So there's a hole, I'll show you on one of these other ones. There's a hole in the ripple holder that the baton fits into, so that you're pulling on the ripple holder as you're operating the drapery. Like that. And then that will be pulling the drapery open and closed.